Hey everyone, Lucia Broadby here, and today I am going to talk to you about SeneGence's Lips Kit.
When you join in July 2019, you get this epic lips kit totally free. So I'm just going to open it up here and show you what's inside. So the first thing you will see is this cute postcard from Joni, basically with a bit of background on the business and wishing you all the success in the world. The lips kit also contains this beautiful, what we call Sena Blue portfolio, where you can contain all your documents within. It's also got little mesh pockets inside it as well, so if you wanted to carry your testers or your products within there, you are absolutely welcome to do so. So a whole bunch of little compartments is a great place to store all the contents within the kit. Also enclosed is a glamour demo guide, so should you wish to do demonstrations, you have all the tools to success within this booklet, along with customer purchase receipts, so you can collect orders no matter where you are on these forms. And now for the exciting part. Within this cellophane bag you get 6 LipSense colours, which are our most popular top-selling shades, 1 LipSense protective glossy gloss and 1 Oops remover. A glimpse of the colours within. The disposable LipSense wands are great for keeping things sanitary if you are letting customers test your products, and also the glossy applicators are amazing for those who wish to try it on and get the best wear out of the product throughout the day, because as we know, the glossy gloss is what hydrates and protects your LipSense colour. Enclosed here is what we call our SeneGence beauty books. So these are catalogues that you can share around with your friends and family. Whether you choose to purely just be a kidnapper or to share the love of the products, you can now make up to a massive 50% profit when you share the love. Whether you are thinking of joining us for just a fun hobby on the side to make some extra dollars, or purely just to access your favorite products for less, now is the time to join us with our exciting lips kit. If you would like further information on joining us, please feel free to contact us via a private message. Looking forward to speaking with you soon. Bye!